Hi, Bryan here, Cars Tillsonburg. We're here today with the transmission that we've chosen to put in our 67 Chevelle project. What we have chosen is a M20 Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. When this car came out new, the options that were available were a 3-speed heavy-duty manual, 2 different 4 speeds, M20, M21, depending on the gear ratio that you picked for the car. Also available was a 2-speed automatic power glide and a 3-speed turbo hydromatic. So just for the fun factor and the nostalgia, we've gone with the M20 Muncie transmission. We've got a brand new billet flywheel because safety is the utmost here, because when these things come apart, it's your feet that are at danger. So brand new 11-inch center force heavy duty clutch. Everything will work together to take the power that this engine, we assume, is going to put out. But the reason we went with the 4-speed is because that's sort of nostalgic. When you were a kid growing up and you saw a performance car that you wandered up to it, and when you looked in the window and you saw that shifter coming up with the ball on it and that third pedal there with your clutch, it just was something about it that, it was the king of the hill. So that was the coolest car. When we drove these cars in those days, to have the option of being able to manually select your gear and be able to perform. It's like, when your brother gives you his 65 Pontiac 389 standard tranny, you drive it to school and go cruising with your buddies, and everybody's looking at you, and they're light her up, and you jam the clutch in and ring it up to about $6 grand and sidestep the clutch, and the smoke's coming and everybody's waving, and that's a flashback, sorry. Hope my brother's not watching. Back to the transmission. Anyway, this is our M20 Muncie 4-speed transmission we're going to use. We've got a brand new Hearst Competition Plus shifter ordered for it, and we're waiting for a bell housing. We're trying to put the period correct bell housing in there. It's an aluminum 11-inch heavy-duty bell housing. Everything worked together. So we'll make this to the engine, put her back in the frame, and we're anxiously waiting at the moment that we fire it up. So again, thanks for watching, so we'll see you then.